Hey, Stroke Lines. A friend of mine I was talking to had asked what we use AI for and what people are using AI for, and I told him a little bit about what we had done, but I realized, why don't I use AI to loop over our AutoHotkey files using AI? Most of them are in a subfolder called AI, and ask AI to figure out what they are and organize them. So just so you can see my screen here, I told it, this is exactly what I told it, across my s:/AI and create an HTML page, you know, so it went and found 65 projects and folders, and there's some of them have subfolders and stuff, so it's not 65 projects. 40 have a root hook. Yeah, that makes more sense. So it went through and created an outline. Here, apparently, it built the plan. I didn't even look at this because it came down here. I told it to create a structure, organize them into groups. So it created a page that I could look at, which, let's see if it's still there. Here we go. So this page was the original page, and it gave, it's pretty cool. So 50 tools, 9 categories, 48 AutoHotkey 2 that are other. Oh, now it's, so I went back and said, hey, some of these have hyperlinks to other tools. So build the hyperlinks so if people are interested, they can go click on them and learn more or purchase them. So some tools like this, Transcribe with OpenRouter, doesn't have a hyperlink or couldn't find one, which is fine. This Parakeet one, this is mine, and I only use this on my local computer. But you get the idea, right? Like, so it just did in a couple of minutes what would have taken me hours of work. And now I can go, because I created this in a plain HTML, because WordPress doesn't, it's still working on it, so it's revising it. Plain HTML page, because WordPress is kind of picky in how it renders HTML. So I can go push this HTML onto the automator and then have a one page for our AI tools. These last ones here, this Card Snap and VoiceToDo, these are little progressive web apps that I built that run on my phone, and they're connected to AI. And I do have AutoHotkey things that pull from them, but I haven't shared those yet. But now, if you're interested in getting ideas on what you can do with AI, this is some of the stuff, right? But what I thought would be fun was just demonstrating using AI to go generate a list of the things that we use AI for. So hope you enjoyed that. Give me a thumbs up if you like that, and have a great day. Cheers.